Good Tuesday morning to you, everybody. It's Mr. Parker coming to you from my front porch on this beautiful spring morning. All right, so yesterday you looked at the different types of judges in Georgia in the six different courts, and you were specifically looking at how they wind up in their positions, right? They are either elected or appointed, and most of them are elected, but there's one that's pretty interesting, and that's the Juvenile Justice Court judges, and they are always appointed. And we're going to talk a little bit more about the juvenile justice system either next week or the week after that. And they're actually always appointed because juvenile justice judges have to be very understanding and sympathetic to the needs and expectations of juveniles, right? Kind of like us teachers, right? We have to be understanding of your needs, your juvenile needs. But most of the judges in Georgia are elected, and they are elected for either 4 to 6 year time periods. Another interesting thing about judges, they're nonpartisan. They can't be a Democrat, they can't be a Republican. That doesn't mean that they don't identify as a Democrat or identify as a Republican, but they can't claim to be one or the other. That would disqualify them for positions as judges. All right. Now, today, the question has to do with the two types of law in Georgia, and it's not just in Georgia, it's in the U.S. in general. You got criminal law and civil law, and what's the difference? So you're going to look at, there's a little brief Google Doc that's attached to the question. You're going to look and you're going to read about criminal law, and then you're going to read about civil law, and then you're going to answer the question, what is different, and can someone possibly be charged with both? What would have to happen in order for them to be charged with both? And then at the bottom of that Google Doc, there is a link to a story about a very interesting court case. Took place before y'all were born, but you may have heard of it. That's the O.J. Simpson trial, all right? And hit that link and then read the little story there about the O.J. Simpson trial because it has to do with, obviously, a criminal court case and then a civil court case as well. So, answer the question, look through the information, have a wonderful day. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. I did update Power School yesterday. You know, I would really like for everyone to answer the question of the day each day instead of wait until the end. But it's kind of up to you. Everything's due on Friday. Have a good one. Bye bye now.